What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix Steam is not connecting. Well, sometimes you just are not connecting to internet on the Steam error. How can you fix it? In order to fix it, we just have to go through these steps. First things first, check if the Steam servers are down. In order to check that, go to Google, search for Steam server check, go to the first website, which is steamstat.us, and you'll be able to see all the Steam servers. And make sure to find your region and check if your region is okay and is working fine. If you can see any error, which means there are errors from the Steam side, so you just have to wait until the Steam fix this issue. Now, if that is not the case, the second thing is test your router. Test your internet if your internet is working fine. For that, you can actually go to Google and search for speed test. If you search for speed test, you'll be able to find all the internet error. If you are facing any, you'll be able to see it that you're getting some sort of packet loss, which is not good for Steam. However, you can make sure if your firewalls or your Windows security is not disabling Steam. For that, you can just try turning off your Windows Defender. You'll be able to do that by going to the settings. By pressing Windows plus I key, the settings will open up. Now in the settings, simply search for privacy and security. Go to this privacy and security, go to Windows security, and then simply go to virus and threat protection. And the virus and threat and protection, just go to manage settings under the virus and then turn off the real-time protection. It will actually disable the Windows Defender for a few minutes. Check if the stream is working, and if it is not working, just enable it back again. Now, the next thing that you can do is just make sure to check the background applications. For that, open up the task manager and then see if any of the other application is using 100% or more than 90% of your internet connection, which could be causing your Steam to not connect to the internet. There could be some viruses and other trojans as well. To check that, you can download free anti softwares or antivirus softwares like Malwarebyte, or you can do that from the Windows Defender as well. So these were the some of the steps which you need to follow to get rid of this problem. Hope you guys find this video helpful.